Got? Gotten? Which one do we use? Let's sort it out. First off, got. In American and British English, got is the past tense of get. Like, yesterday I got a message. Now for the British, got is also the past participle. I've got a car means I have a car. In American English, however, things change a bit. Here, gotten is the past participle. It emphasizes the process of getting something. I've gotten into a great university shows the action of receiving acceptance. So remember, got as past tense works for everyone. But as a past participle, it's got in British English, but gotten in American English. It's all about where you are and the story you're telling. So whether it's got or gotten, context and location are key. Keep your English sharp and globally informed. Subscribe for more tips. I'm Coach Vicky and this is Echoes to Symphony.